Hey there everyone, my name is Nathan and I'm the owner here at Minnesota Mobile Guy. If you're not already familiar with us, we're a business based here in the US state of Minnesota, but we assist customers from all over the world with all sorts of different issues and problems on their smartphones, tablets, and other mobile devices. One of the services that our customers most frequently ask us to perform is the removal of the Google Account Lock security feature on an Android device, also known as the FRP lock for factory reset protection. Here with us today we have a Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, and this is a device that does indeed have the Google account lock enabled, because as we're going through the setup steps here, we get to the screen that tells us that the device was reset, and to continue, we have to either verify the previous security screen pin lock that was used, or if we tap on Use My Google account instead, it'll also give us the option to sign in with the previous Google account that was used on the device. So we've been contacted by tons of customers over the years asking us for assistance with this specific issue on this specific model, usually either because they themselves accidentally got locked out of their own device and couldn't remember or recover their login information after having done a factory reset, or also, unfortunately, these days, a lot of times someone will buy a used device on the internet from someone who turns out to be a scammer. So the buyer will discover the lock after the purchase is made, and of course they're not going to have the previous user's login information, and the seller has usually long since disappeared in the cases of fraudulent transactions like those. But we're making this video here today to show any interested customers that we do have a way to be able to get the lock removed from the specific model without having to have the previous user's login information. It's something that we do directly to the device while it is plugged into a computer, and the great thing about this is that it's something that can be done for just about anyone, anywhere in the world. So you don't necessarily need to be located here in our local area in order for us to be able to do this for you. You would just need to have a decently powerful Windows PC along with a fast and stable internet connection, and we can connect right through the internet directly to your computer to do the exact same procedure that we did here with this one. So, actually before starting the video, we had already done 99% of the work necessary to remove the lock, just so that we can keep the video as short as possible. We just left it on the lock right before the last step so that you guys could all see as visual proof that it was indeed locked, so that you know that we're not trying to trick anyone here or scam anyone, that we can actually do this. So the last step of the process was just to restart the tablet, as you saw me do there, and now we should be able to see that we can get all the way through the initial setup steps without running into that Google Lock page. So I'm just skipping through everything here step by step. And now this is the screen where normally the Google Lock page was showing before, but as you'll notice now, it's saying that we can sign in with any Google account, and we even have the option to create a new one if we want. We don't need an account on the device at this time, so we're just going to skip that so that we can get all the way through the rest of the setup steps as fast as possible, just to make sure that we can get to the home screen. Don't need a Samsung account, so we're going to skip that also. Agree to those. Okay, there we go. Says you're all set up. So when we tap finish, yep, there we go. We've got the home screen loaded up. We have full access to all of the apps and settings and features, and this is just like a brand new device that never had the lock on there. While we're here, I'm going to pop down into the settings just to show you exactly what we're working with here. So under the About Tablet section, we do indeed see that we have a Tab S6 Lite, and then that model number there, the SM-P610. That's the model number of this specific version of Samsung's Tab S6 Lite. So if you have one of these that has the FRP lock enabled and need help getting it removed, we would love to assist you with that, so go ahead and get in touch with us. All of our contact information can be found right down in the video description, and we'll also put a slide at the end of the video that has all of our contact details there as well. While you're here, make sure to check out some of the other videos that we have here on our channel, as we offer a lot of different services for thousands of models of mobile devices, and I'm sure you'll find something there that could come in handy someday. Hitting that subscribe button while you're there will enable you to be notified of all of the new videos and services that we're constantly adding and putting up, just like we're doing here with this one. Y para todos ustedes hispanohablantes, nosotros también hablamos español, así que ustedes también nos pueden contactar sin duda. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and have a great rest of your day.